everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Lauren. In today's video, I have an unboxing for you from 24S, and I cannot believe it's almost November. I don't know where this year has gone. I say that every year. I feel like every YouTuber says that, but honestly, time is flying by, and sale season will be starting soon. I've already bought 2 gifts for the holiday season, so now is the time to start shopping. 24S currently has a promo going on, and I will share that with you in a moment. But if you are new to 24S, they are an online site. They connect you over to 300 different brands, from prestigious luxury houses to sort of upcoming designers. They are also part of the LVMH group, which means that they are an authorized seller of Louis Vuitton, Dior, I don't know if I'm going to pronounce this right, Monat, and then as well as Celine. So if there's a Louis Vuitton collection that you missed out on and you were looking for a particular piece, definitely check out 24S, and you know that you're going to be getting authentic Louis Vuitton goods. So I have bought many things from 24S on my own, and I've worked with them many times. This video is so kindly in partnership and it is sponsored by 24S, but again, because I bought from them in the past with my own coin, you know that I like this site. Before I show you the 2 items that I picked up, let me tell you about their current promo, and that is one of the things that I love about 24S is they often have promos going on. So check out their site, follow their Instagram, because they'll often have all the info there. Their site is also available in 5 different languages, I believe, but their current promo is for Singles Day. I didn't even know Singles Day was a thing until a few years ago, but some people call it Double 11 because Singles Day is on November 11th, but this current promo is running from October 26th to November 16th, I believe. And you can save 25% off if you spend $300.
You actually save 25% off a purchase of $250, not $300.
And it differs with currencies as well, so I'll leave all the information in my description box down below. And then you can save 30% off if you spend $1,000. So I will also leave the landing pages so you can see all the different items that are applicable with this current promo. So excited because, like I mentioned, it's gifting season, and one of these items that I have to show you I think would work really well. It's a unisex item, so for a special man in your life, for a special woman in your life, I think that this, one of the items I'm going to show you is just, it's so good. Let's open this up. I received this box yesterday and I haven't looked inside yet, but I know that there's a handbag in here because I feel like it's a goal on my channel now to find minimal, good quality, quiet luxury handbags at a nice price point. So let's open it up. So you can see the first item I got is by the brand a.p.c. So this is my second piece by a.p.c. I have the, I believe it's pronounced Ninon bag, but I've been using that every day for work. So I know that the quality is really good, and I knew that I liked the brand, so I want to get another piece by them. So here we go. This is the Grace handbag, but the baguette style. So I've seen so many people on YouTube here show this handbag, but the regular Grace handbag, which is a little bit more boxy, I would say it's very similar to the Celine box bag. So while I love the shape of the original Grace, I really liked the baguette style, and I don't have anything aside from my Jacquemus Le Grand Bambino that's really sort of the baguette shape, and I wanted a piece like that. So this is it here. This is in the color, it says noisette, I think that's hazelnut. I'll have to double check. But I chose this darker brown color, kind of, it has like a reddish warm tone to it. I know it also came in a honey and then a tan color and then a black, but I don't have anything this color, and I thought for fall this would be stunning. So the front here, the clasp opening, it just has the protective part on it, but there's no labeling at all on it. I don't think it says any branding, no. Just on the back here, it says a.p.c. and then Rue Madame Paris or Paris. So that's the only branding that you're actually gonna see. I think with the original Grace bag, it might have said the a.p.c. down below, but with the baguette style, you have no branding on the front, which I love. The other reason why I wanted to get this handbag is because the strap is adjustable, and it's very similar to my Patu bag, where there, if you look at the strap here, there's no excess strap showing. The way that it gets adjusted, it kind of gets hidden, and I love that very clean look of it. So, I mean, it looks really expensive. I think when you see it, it does look very much like Celine, I would say. So there we go. And then to open it up, how do I open it? Do I press? No, okay. So all you have to do to open it is literally just pull up there. The flap just opens up like that, and then we have all this stuffing on the inside. So let's take that out there. And then the inside is just one open compartment. There's no pockets. Oh no, there is. There's one long pocket, but it is just an open sort of space like that, and there's no pocket on the back. I kind of wish there were a little small pocket even on the back. That would be nice, but this is it here, and let me adjust it. So you can wear it a few different ways. Ooh, I like it with the black, and I'm always in black. So you can see the strap drop there. If you're deciding to wear it on the shoulder, it looks gorgeous, but let's adjust it now. So this is the second setting that you could adjust it to. So at this point now, you have a little bit of a longer shoulder bag if you wanted. I don't really think, oh, you could. Or you could wear it as a crossbody, like a really high crossbody, kind of like how I like to wear it. It almost looks more like a sling bag at that point, but I do kind of like that. I like that look as well, but I think this is also a really good length if you are wearing a really bulky jacket in the fall or the winter time, or if you just like a longer strap drop. So that is the second option. And then this is the third length. So now you have a really long shoulder bag, or you have a crossbody bag. So there are three different options with the length of the shoulder strap that you can wear, which I love that. I love being able to have an adjustable strap. I think it's really good too because you can transition it. So say you were traveling and you only want to take one bag, you could take this one because you could wear it on the shoulder, or you could wear it crossbody, so you can transition it from day to night. I think too that it could be dressed up and it could be dressed down. I dress fairly casually, but I can see this being very easily dressed up too. I think it's very elegant looking as well because there's not a lot of obviously logos on the front. There's only a little bit of hardware too. It's just a very classic silhouette. So I think this is a really great investment for the price. I believe Canadian, I have it here, it's 819 Canadian, and then in the US, I believe it's $483. So the majority of my viewers are from the US, so for a handbag under $500, I think that's a pretty good price. It is leather. It's this really beautiful, smooth leather. You can kind of see there. If you want me to do an in-depth review, I definitely can do that for you. I would like to see how the hardware wears. Like I said, there is this protective little plastic piece on it, so hopefully it doesn't scratch up too much. From what I've seen online though, it's pretty good. And then like I said, if you do want to see a review about what fits inside, I can do that for you because it is fairly narrow, but it is longer. I feel like you can fit a decent amount for sure. All my essentials would fit in here, but I also don't take a lot. But like I said, I think it's a really great handbag, and especially if you're traveling, going from day to night. I think this color too, it's really stunning. It's a gorgeous handbag. So this is the first piece that I picked up. And then the second piece is the one that I was talking to you about that I think would be a really great gift for a guy or a gal in your life because it is unisex, and it is by the brand Lemaire. I am quickly becoming in love with this brand. I did pick up the small croissant, and I am in love with that. I use it all the time. I've had so many people ask me if it's a good bag to invest in, and I would say 100%. The leather on it is so supple, it's so soft. I've had so many compliments on that bag. I can really attest to the leather of Lemaire as being just such great quality. So let's open this up. As you can see, it's a little bit of a bigger piece, but this is, oh my gosh, this is the document holder. It has the same chubby little, I love this little puffy tab they have on the zipper pull. I know that they sell this for a keychain as well. I've been tempted to buy it so many times. I don't need it, but I just love the puffy leather. So this is it here. I got this in, I believe it's in the color chocolate. So let me double check. Yeah, dark chocolate. And then it also came with this piece. It just talks about the leather and how to care for it. It is grain cow leather, but it almost looks black, and that's what I was looking at online. But they had different people carrying it, and they were carrying it just under the crook of the arm, and I thought it just looked really smart. I know back in the day, I had seen some people using document holders kind of as clutches, so I think it's a really nice piece. You can kind of see it there. See, it looks black, this dark brown color. They also had an olive and a chalk color, which the chalk was stunning, but just wouldn't be practical, I think. So I got this to hold my laptop. So I brought my laptop over so we can see if it fits inside. It did say that it could fit a small laptop. I have the MacBook Air, which I believe is 13 inches. So hopefully it fits it, but let's take a peek. So it is padded. That's really nice. So there is quite a bit of padding on both sides, and then there is also a very large pocket here as well. And I do like that the zipper goes all the way around. Sometimes it will only be the top part, kind of like that, but I like that it goes all the way around. So you could use this, like I said, if you were in the office and you could carry your documents, because it is called a document holder, but I got it for my laptop. So currently I have this one here, which I've been loving. I've had it for maybe 3 years now. It's by the brand Poketo, and it's really nice. It's faux leather, and this is what it looks like, but there's really no padding to this. Like, you can see, you can bend it up really easily, whereas this one, you can move it, but there's definitely resistance, and there is that padding. So let's hope and pray that this fits in. Oh my God, okay. Goodness. I thought for a second that that wasn't gonna fit, but it does! Yay! Oh my goodness, this is so perfect. So now, okay, I did initially think I was gonna give this to my friend, but now I don't know, because now I like it. But I mean, like I said, it is gifting season. And there also is that pocket in the back too, so you can put additional documents, pens. For me, I would probably put my SD card if I were going to a coffee shop to edit, or like my storage I would put in there. So here it is up close. You can see the beautiful grained leather, and then it just says Lemaire there, and that is basically all the branding that you're gonna get. I feel like most people know Lemaire now because of this sort of puffy little zipper pull that they always have, but that is it there. And the leather is very supple, similar to my croissant bag, but you can tell that it's also fairly resistant. So it's going to be resistant to scratches. And because it is padded, that's really nice. And I do like the inner pocket too. It just adds that additional practical component. The inside here is cotton. It's very similar to the inside of the Loewe handbags as well. I really think this would make an amazing gift. It's stunning, and it's just so elevated, it's so sophisticated. So if the person goes to different offices, or if they like to work at coffee shops, I just think that this would be an amazing gift. And being under $400 Canadian and US, and if you can get a discount on it, why not? If you would like to see an update on either of these, if you want to see what fits in here or how I style it, please let me know. Go and check out 24S, go and check out their promo for Singles Day. Like I said, it runs until November 16th. You can save 25% off your order of $300 or 30% off your order of $1,000. I will leave all the information down below. I believe the codes are single 25 and single 30. But definitely go and check it out. Go and see if there's something that you want from your wish list, or if you want to start buying some gifts for the holiday season, now is the time. All the information will be linked down below. Thank you to 24S for sponsoring this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.